Ever wondered why programming is a must-know for data scientists? Let's unravel the mystery. Data science, the field that combines statistics, methods, and insights from various disciplines to interpret and understand complex data, is heavily reliant on programming. Why, you ask? Programming languages like Python and R are the keys to unlock the door to data science. They enable data scientists to manipulate, analyze, and visualize data in ways that are simply impossible without them. Imagine trying to sort through billions of data points manually. A nightmare, right? Programming automates this process, saving time and preventing human error. Moreover, programming allows for reproducibility. This means other scientists can validate your findings, boosting credibility. So, if you're venturing into data science, don't underestimate the power of programming. It's not just a tool, it's your ultimate ally.